This beautiful condominium here at 51 Regency Circle, located in the Regency Meadows condominiums, just sold for the highest price ever recorded in this condominium complex's history. It's another milestone in what's been a record-breaking year in my real estate career. Regency Meadows is one of the most desirable communities, built by the Toll Brothers in 2004, known for their quality craftsmanship and timeless design. There are only 51 condominiums here, each featuring elegant architecture, open floor plans, soaring ceilings, and beautiful natural light. This particular home spans 2,339 square feet with a first floor primary bedroom, spacious upstairs bedrooms, and a full walkout basement. That's perfect for added living or entertaining space. The community itself is peaceful and private, but just yet minutes from every major convenience. Route 25, the Mirror Parkway, Trumbull Center, Echo, Prime 111, parks, and shopping this town has to offer. Buyers are drawn to Regency Meadows not just for the beautiful homes, but for the sense of community and the effortless lifestyle it provides. Regency Meadows also backs up to the Aspentuck Valley, and the walking trails are just right around the corner. You know, with sales like this one, that's what I love the most about this business. Achieving record-breaking results and continuing to raise the bar here in Trumbull. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, I'd love to help you raise the bar. You can call me or text me at 203-209-2529, or you can email me at j@jcannone.com. Listen, thank you for coming on this tour. Hope you love the condo. Hope to hear from you and have a great rest of your day.